In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for your Wix website. QR codes are an incredibly useful tool for connecting your audience to your website quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're using it to promote your business, share a portfolio, or even highlight an event, adding a QR code to your Wix site can make it easier for visitors to access your content directly from their phones. The process is simple and straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional QR code integrated into your site. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the MQR website. This is the platform we'll use to generate your QR code. Once the site loads, look for the option that says Create New QR and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can choose the type of QR code you want to create. Since we're linking to your Wix website, select the option labeled URL or link. This tells the generator what kind of content the QR code will point to. Now, it's time to get the web address for your Wix site. Open a new tab in your browser and locate your website. Copy the full URL from the address bar. Make sure you copy the entire link, as this is what the QR code will use to redirect people to your site. With your website's URL copied, go back to the MQR site. You'll see a designated area in the QR code generator where you can paste the link. Simply click into the box and paste the URL. Double-check to ensure the link appears correctly, as any errors here could prevent the QR code from working properly. Next, click on the button that says Customize and Download QR to move to the customization step. Here, you can adjust the look of your QR code. You might want to change the colors to match your website's branding or tweak the overall design to make it more visually appealing. Take your time experimenting with the options until you're happy with the result. Once your QR code looks the way you want, click Download. The file will save to your computer as a PNG image, which is a great format for uploading to your website. Make sure to remember where the file is saved so you can access it easily in the next steps. Now it's time to add the QR code to your Wix website. Open your Wix editor, which is the tool you use to manage your site's content and layout. Once you're in the editor, locate the plus icon. This is where you can add new elements to your site, including images, videos, and more. Click on the Upload Images option. A new window will appear, allowing you to upload media files to your Wix library. Drag and drop the PNG file containing your QR code into this area. Wix will process the upload, and the QR code image will now be available in your media library. To place the QR code on your site, simply select the image from your library and insert it onto your page. You can drag it to the desired location and resize it if necessary to fit your layout. Consider placing it somewhere prominent, like your homepage or a contact page, where visitors can easily find it. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Wix website and integrated it into your site. Now, anyone who scans the code with their smartphone will be instantly directed to your site, making it more accessible and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.